If evidence of virginity is not found in the young woman, then they shall bring out the young woman to the door of her father's house and have the men of the city stone her to death.
That's totally extreme.
What if I told you that this actually was the Bible?
Have a nice day.
Women should be kept silent in places of worship, for they are not permitted to speak, but should be in submission.
Yeah, that's really harsh. What?
Now, what if I told you that this is actually not the Quran and it's the Bible?
I would not be surprised at all.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
not surprised.
not at all.
I was
Yeah,
like, the
that's
Quran
true.
does not say that about women.
If a wife does not cover her head, then she should cut her hair short. And if there is anything they desire to learn, let them ask their husbands at home.
We don't know everything.
This is actually the Bible.
Wow. Son of a gun.
Women should be kept silent in places of worship.
It's a little messed up.
What if I told you this? That this is actually the Bible? What if I told you this was the Bible, not the Quran?
Why am got time now? We gotta take off.
So what if I told you that this actually was the Bible?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well.